Good morning everyone. My name is Samiksha Gavande and today's my topic is skeletal system. Skeletal system is the framework of our body and also known as musculoskeletal system. Skeletal system is mainly consist of bone, joints and cartilage. Bone, that is the word osseico, then joints, that is ortho, and last one is cartilage, that is chondro. Then the functions of skeletal system, it includes the skeletal system is mainly responsible for the mobility, that is movement, bone and joints, which is help for the movement of our body. Then stability, it provides the stability. Then it is responsible for shape and support, that is framework of our body. Then it is also responsible for protection, that is the heart is protected by rib cage, and the brain is protected by cranium. It also helps in the production, it also helps in the blood cell formation, that is RBC, WBC and platelets. It is also responsible for endocrine regulation, for glucose metabolism. Are the functions of skeletal system. Then skeletal system is mainly divided into mainly parts of bone, cartilage and joint. Bone, the bone is a specified connective tissue. The composition of bone include the extracellular matrix, which contain the 45% of water, 35% of mineral salt, that is calcium and phosphorus, and last one is 20% of collagenous fiber or collagenous protein. Then bone cell, that the formation of bone cell is known as osteogenesis, and the formation of bony tissue to bone is known as ossification. The bone cells, that is they are divided into three types, that is osteoblast, osteoclast and osteocyte. Osteoblasts, that is immature, newly formed cell. Osteoclasts, that is rupture or damaged cell, and osteocytes, that is mature cell. Then the structures of bone. Structure of bone. The bone. The outer layer of bone is known as peristonium, and the inner layer of bone is known as endosteum. The upper and lower part is known as epiphysis, and the middle part of bone is known as taphysis. The middle part contains the hollow cavity, which is also known as medullary cavity. Then after the structure of bone, we will discuss bony tissue. Bone tissue are divided into further two types, that is spongy bone and compact bone. Spongy bone is a soft tissue, and the compact bone, which is rigid and hard in nature. Skeletal system is mainly divided into two types, that is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. There are 206 bone which are present in our adult, and the 270 to 350 bone which are present in newborn due to the non-fusion. Axial bone, it contains 206 bone, and appendicular bone, it contain axial bone, it contain axial bone are those which are included in the central axis, and the appendicular bone which are without the central axis. Axial bone, it contain the skull bone, vertebral column and rib cage. Skull bone is 29, the vertebral column is 22, and the rib cage is 20. Rib cage is 24. First one is skull bone. Skull bone, it includes the cranium bone. Cranium bone, there are 8 cranium bone, that is parietal, ethmoid, sphygmoid, temporal, occipital and frontal. Then facial bone in contain mandible, maxilla, vomer, then patella, nasal bone, then inferior nasal caucus, then zygomatis, and last one is lacrimal. These all are the bones, facial bones, and then one hyoid bone is present in our throat, and which is connected to the tongue. And last one is last one is ear bone. Ear bone, it include the incus, stapes and malleus. It's all there is 29 bones which are present in our skull bone. Then second is the rib cage. Second is the vertebral column. Vertebral column, it include the cervical bone, cervical, thoracic, lumbar, lumbar and coccyx, and one coccyx and lumbar. And then rib cage, true rib cage, false rib cage, true rib cage, that is rib cage 1 to 7. Then false rib cage 8, 9, 10, which is attached to the 7th rib cage, and the floating rib cage. Third one is floating rib cage. One sternum are also present. So the next one is appendicular bone. Appendicular bone, it includes the pectoral girdle, pelvic girdle, upper limb and lower limb. Upper limb contain the 60 bone, lower limb contain the 60 bone. Pectoral girdle, it includes the clavicle, that is collarbone, and clavicle and scapula. And second is the pelvic girdle. Pelvic girdle, it include the pubic, ilium and ischium. It's all the appendicular bone. So the next one is joint. Joint is simply said when two or more bones are combined together to form two, also known as joints. There are 2-3 types. Fibrous joint, example skull bone, and cartilaginous fibrous joint, example skull bone. And then another joints are also present. Then cartilage which are present at the end of bones. It is 2 types, that is hyaline cartilage and elastic. Hyaline cartilage which are present in our nose, and the elastic cartilage which are present in our ear. Then the diseases of skeletal system, it include osteoporosis. Osteoporosis is simply said the decrease the bone, decrease the frequency of bone. Osteomyelitis, that is the inflammation of our bone and bone marrow. Then third one is gut. Gut is simply said the deposition of sodium crystals in our joints. Then arthritis is the inflammation of our joints. Then it includes the sign and symptoms of skeletal system like pain, fatigue, dizziness, muscle weakness, numbness, etc. And the treatment of skeletal system, it includes the calcium and vitamin D supplements, anti-inflammatory drug, steroidal hormone, etc. So it's all about the skeletal system, in which we will discuss the bone, cartilage, joints, their diseases, sign and symptom, and their treatment. Thank you.